am Megan Edwards with MiningIR. I am here at the mining investment event with Ibrahima Sory Tall, CEO and Director of Namib Minerals. Thank you for being here.
Thank you
Did I say
for
your name
having
good?
me.
Well,
Yeah,
yes?
great. Thank you for having me.
Of course. Tell us a bit about yourself and how you got into mining.
Okay, I'm Ibrahima Sory Tall, as you said. I'm the CEO of Namib Minerals. I've been in this business for 25 years.
Wow. You don't
Started.
look like you're over the age of 25. What are you
Oh,
talking about?
don't just look at the the cover. Yeah, I've 25 years of mining experience. I started in mining in 2001 as a young engineer. And I've been going through this for the last 25 years, through first in Guinea, then in Burkina Faso, Niger, and then now in Southern Africa, where we are mining in Zimbabwe and in the DRC. Now, what brought me into mining, I think it's more a coincidence than something else. I've been born in a mining city, a city which was there just because there was a mine, basically. And then I went to study, not to come into mining, but I ended up being in mining as soon as I was graduated. I was hired by a mining company in Morocco from school to go back and to start a mine as a young engineer. And then, yeah, from there it's just been mining until where I am right now. So yes, mining is something which changed people's life. If I am where I am today, it's because I had the opportunity to be born in a mining city, basically. In Africa, it makes a lot of difference. People from my city were the best, some of the best in country, because the mine created an opportunity for us to go to very good schools, to have, very good healthcare system, hospitals, everything was there. So yes, it was an opportunity which we took advantage of, and that's brought us here. So also we would like to give that same opportunity to other people. So we build mines, we impact communities, and we make them better.
I love that. That's great.
Yeah, thank you.
Can you give us a quick overview of Namib Minerals and what the company is focused on?
The company is a gold producer currently. We produce gold in Zimbabwe, where we have 3 mines. One is producing 2 are under care maintenance. We stopped them around 2019, 2020 to expand them and bring them at a higher capacity. We also have licenses, mining licenses, and in copper and cobalt in the DRC, in the Katanga and Lualaba region, the copper belt basically. And we are working on these ones through exploration right now, and we expect to define resources and bring them to production. So we are gold producers. We intend to be not only gold, but gold and critical minerals or critical metals producers in the future. That's who Namib is.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
You're working on gold production in Zimbabwe, like you just said, and battery metals exploration in the DRC. What makes this an exciting opportunity for investors right now?
This is a unique opportunity for any investor. To give you just an idea, in terms of growth opportunity for any investor who will be coming in, we expect just in Zimbabwe to move from where we are to maybe 5 times what we are right now, at least within the next 2 to 3 years.
Wow.
That's outside of the potential which is there for the DRC, where, copper and cobalt is just another world, and the size are way bigger than that, what a gold mine can be. That's the first thing. The second one is for someone who will be coming in Zimbabwe, our assets are underexplored. We believe that we can easily do way more than where we are. We have currently 4.2 million basically ounces in terms of gold, in terms of resources. We can easily double those resources within the next 2 years. So to give an example, I've been with this company, which is the previous company before Namib Minerals. I've been with them for 7 years. How mine, which is the current producing asset, used to have when I joined in 2018, 8 years of life of mine. We are in 2025, we still have 8 years of life of mine. We've been mining for 8 years, but we keep simply replenishing in terms of resources what we are depleting every year. So life of mine is long. I used to tell people who doesn't know mining that this is a kind of a fixed income asset, but with way higher returns than it is in a normal fixed income business. So yes, this is an opportunity we believe should be eye-opening for anyone who would like to do investment, have high returns, and have it for the long term. So we are long-term players, and we think that this will be really something worth investing.
So it's
Definitely
a good investment right now.
A great investment right now, not only good, great.
It's great. What are some of Namib Minerals' recent milestones or any big news you've announced lately?
Let's say that announced lately we will be listed on the Nasdaq soon. Listing was quite an experience. We are there, we will be finalizing that listing very shortly.
Right.
We'll be listed on the Nasdaq. But outside of that, we also, in terms of looking, people should look at us because we'll be reopening our new mines. That will happen soon. In the DRC also, we expect to be doing exploration and then, soon be able to declare some resources. But reopening these mines should be, the first things people should look at very soon. Sign will be there. And then, of course, if there is any M&A opportunities, because we are looking at some of them, that will be the caveat, and it's going to be some very good ones.
Okay. What should investors be watching for from Namib Minerals over the next 6 to 12 months, do you think?
What they will be looking for, Namib Minerals, of course, will be trading. That will be the first thing.
Right.
But we'll also be expanding, okay, and restarting mines. In the next 6 to 12 months, that will really be the goal for us. Yeah, and then in the DRC, of course, looking for exploration, results potentially. That will be things we'll be looking at.
It's going to be a busy next 6 to 12 months.
Oh, yes. It's always busy. But again, that's the reason
good.
why we
You
are
want
here.
that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We like that.
What sets Namib Minerals apart from other companies operating in Africa's gold and batteries metal space?
Look, I don't know. I don't believe there is any mining company which has the pipeline of growth we have right now. That will make us very different from others. We are deeply rooted in Africa. We have management, which is management and skill workers who are really from the countries we are operating. In the DRC, but mostly in Zimbabwe, for instance. In all our operations, we don't have any experts, which is really unique. I can tell you, I've been in mining for 25 years. I've never seen that. So we don't have any expert. I'm the only expert, basically, or let's say the directors are the only expert in these mines. So that makes us different. And we have the capability to do growth with these people. And we have the ability to bring these mines to a never seen level at a very low cost. And that makes us very different from other mines, with impact, of course, with our societies and people, our stakeholders all around us in communities.
Okay. Where can viewers go to learn more about you guys?
We have our website,
Yeah.
Namib Minerals, but of course, we'll have people, analysts who will write about us and who will go in depth to tell people eventually what they went and what they go and see in our mines.
Right.
We really believe that, yes, this is a story to follow. We invite people to follow us because we will have huge impact and we'll be really very more prominent in the coming 1 to 2 years in this market.
What is the website?
NamibMinerals.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Of course.